All right. Well, glad you're here, and I'm going to talk to you today about some slap bass, a slap bass lesson. So that's what you're going to learn today. Is you're going to learn how to slap and pop. All right. So that's what we're going to do. And if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor at the How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com. And if you haven't yet, subscribe down below and hit that bell notification. I've got lots of videos coming out on lots of stuff, blues, bass, slap, little bass lessons to just help you, little tips and stuff like that, and to just help you out in any way possible. And any gear recommendations I have, I usually send out a little review on some new stuff that's come out also. And today we're just going to talk about slapping and popping. We're just going to keep it simple. It's a technique that needs to be, it takes time. You don't just learn what I have to show you today and then you're going to be able to slap and pop. You'll be able to do, but you're going to have to work on your tone and all that stuff. So that'll be, let me stand up here. Well, it's about the squeakiest chair I've got. So, so the biggest thing is pop, is slapping. So, they call it slapping, but you're not really slapping. You're thumping. I call it thumping. And what you're looking at that bad boy right there, that bone right there on your thumb. If you're right-handed or left-handed, it's either way. It's your slapping hand. So that little bone, and I slap it right against it. I thump it right on the fretboard here. You can do it anywhere. There's several ways people do it. Some of them, they blow through the string, and with the new Victor Wooten, well, not new, but with Victor Wooten's double thumb, that's probably, you want to practice blowing through the string, not just popping it or slapping it and popping off, But, that's, if you've got some double thumb stuff coming up, then, just go ahead and you can go right through the string. You can go right to it. But I like to pop it right against it, bounce off of it, right onto the fretboard, and bounce off. So like I said, there's a few different techniques what you want to do, but I like the tone of the just mashing it on there, pounding it on the fretboard. So that's what you want to do. Just take that thumb, and your wrist right there. It's not a whole lot of work. It's kind of relaxed. The more relaxed you can be, the less muscles you're tensed up, and then it's just eventually you're going to stiffen up. So you want to be relaxed. Just be relaxed. Just take that bone of your thumb and go right there. That's what you can do. Just practice a major scale. Just get your technique. Separate them. You don't. Starting out, you want to just thump. Just get that down first. So hopefully you know major scale. If you don't, just do whatever. And sign up for my lessons. I'll teach you a major scale at iwanttoPlayBass.com. But no, we just go. I actually think I got a video out there somewhere about the scales, so maybe I'll find it and I'll put it in this video card here. You can check out how to play a major scale. But yeah, just do that. So see how it's parallel. My thumb's parallel with the strings. Stay relaxed and thump. that's all it is. Just like I say, work on thumping first, the slap part, work on that. And this is, this is a new, it's not the biggest thing, but man, it seems like everybody's slapping. So if you're going to be a bassist, you're going to have to learn it. So you don't have to learn it, but it's flashy, and it is what it is. It's fun, and you can get down. Once you get it down, you can really get down with your bad self, and it's fun. So yeah, you definitely want to learn it. Definitely want to add it to your toolbox. Okay, so just practice slowly. Just thump away. Now the next part of this technique is going to be the pop. Now starting off, you're going to use your index finger. We're going to start off simple. So you kind of got your hand just kind of relaxing. It's just already kind of, that's kind of a relaxed position. Your hands, unless you're holding, sometimes, a lot of times they just curl up in a relaxed position. So it doesn't take a lot of effort to make a, not necessarily a fist, but just keep your fingers tucked in so you're able to pop that string. That's all you do. Just take a note, and you just take a smidgen of your pointer finger and you tuck it in under there. And it's going to take time. You're not going to do it. You sit down today and just, get the thumping part's a little easier, but to get the right tone is a little harder. You're not just hearing a bunch of fret noise and just a bunch of junk, To get a nice tone, it's going to take a little time. But then to get that, that's a little more, because you have a tendency of wanting to go too far under the string. It's muscle memory. You've got to just repetitive consistency and constant. Just consistency. So just keep practicing it, and that's all it is. Pop it right there. And you can go back again to a major scale. Not a whole lot of effort there at all. And then as you can throw your second finger. Get that double thumb. So there's a lot to do. Just start off with your thumb and your index finger. So just do that. There's a little groove for you. Go your octave right here. You just go right there. You got the thumb, pop, thumb, pop, thumb, pop, slide up. that's kind of fun thing to do with it. And then, like I say, you get later on. Get both fingers working. Where you do the double. But don't worry about all that. First, get the thumping down, just individual. Practice individual, and then go. That's all. Just some fun slapping and popping lessons. Just. So have fun with it, and hope this helped you out. And like I said, subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you liked it. And I've got more of this stuff coming out. Just leave me a comment. I can, you know, if you want to learn something in particular, or you want to know something in particular, leave a comment. Let me know, and I will catch you on the flip flop. All right, bye now.